I've been inclined towards art for a very long time, but I sometimes find myself unproductive during my free time and neglecting my passion with an excuse of time. To make sure I use my free time wisely doing something I absolutely love, I decided to make an art account on Instagram specifically for posting my artworks, sketches, and anything I find artistic. This account keeps me motivated and is a constant source of inspiration for me to keep practicing arts. LO1, art doesn't have a limit. It has so much to explore and learn every day. When I started my account, I was aware that I was a skillful artist. But being an artist is not just about developing artistic skills. It is also about emotional growth and self-expression. So when it came to showing my thoughts and feelings to the world, I was a little scared and doubtful. Artworks can have a lot of interpretation and many ways in which different people analyze it. And and that made me realize that to make a greater impact on my audience, I had to be honest in my artworks and exhibit what I really am. Through the course of starting this account till now, I have received compliments and criticism both, which helped me grow as an artist. LO2. Art is something that you can't force out of yourself. There were days when I couldn't create artworks or get any ideas, but if you create an art account, your followers expect you to give them content, and you can't just not post for a few months and then post again. So the main challenge I have faced was updating my account in a timely manner. I was struggling with updating my account regularly in the beginning of the experience, but now I feel like I have gained more experience and followers who inspired me to stay consistent in creating artworks and updating. LO3. Initiating this CAS experience was quite easy. A few simple steps and my account was created. But maintaining it and planning different ways to keep my followers interested was hard. I had to constantly keep myself updated with different art trends on Instagram and come up with creative ways to keep present my work and step out of my comfort zone to create something new. This experience not only helped me create more, but I also got a chance to develop myself as a photographer. LO4. Creating an online account makes staying consistent very important, as I mentioned before. And over time, I have become more responsible, which helps me be more regular and committed to this experience and keep updating even after CAS. LO5. In order to learn and grow, my best friend and I made a few artworks together. It not only helped me develop new skills but also to accept her ideas and thoughts. Working together, I learned styles and techniques, and together we created a few glass paintings and a canvas of human anatomy. While working with her, I realized that I can sell my artworks and use that money for a good cause, like feeding stray dogs. LO6. There are hundreds of stray dogs who are abused and starved every day. So, after selling my artworks, whatever money I got, I decided to invest in a SDG goal of zero hunger. It is very important to take care of animals, specifically dogs, as they work for us in ways we don't know. They give us emotional support as well as help us in dealing with our stress. It really felt so good to feed them. Moreover, I also created an artwork for SIA Foundation. They work towards overcoming menstrual stigma, which comes under SDG goal of good health and well-being. To sum it up, this was an amazing experience and it helped me learn a lot of new skills as well as techniques.